5 ways to instantly make anyone respect you. Having the respect of others is important in any situation, and especially so in the workplace or at school. If you want to be respected by your coworkers or classmates, there are several strategies you can use to earn their respect almost instantly. Here are 5 ways to instantly make anyone respect you. 1. Define your stance. It's important that you know what you stand for and what your values are. When you're clear about your beliefs, it's easier to communicate with others and make them understand where you're coming from. Be assertive, but not aggressive, in your communication. This means speaking up for yourself while also listening to others. Be confident in who you are and what you believe in, and others will respect you for it. 2. Pay attention to language. The language you use says a lot about you. It can be an indicator of your intelligence, your education, and your social status. So, if you want to be respected, pay attention to the language you use. Choose your words carefully and avoid using slang or profanity. Use please and thank you. Don't interrupt people while they're talking to you. If someone asks for advice, answer them honestly without being condescending. Listen with interest. 3. Use space appropriately. One way to get people to respect you is by using space appropriately. If you crowd someone, they may feel uncomfortable and view you as disrespectful. On the other hand, if you give someone too much space, they may feel like you're not interested in them. Find a happy medium, and make sure not to invade anyone's personal space. Next time you're at a party or networking event, take note of how close people stand to each other. Then stand 10 to 15 inches away from them, or 3 to 4 feet, and gauge their reaction. 4. Change facial expressions. The first step is to change your facial expressions. When you want someone to take you seriously, you need to look serious. This doesn't mean that you have to have a scowl on your face all the time. But, it does mean that you should avoid smiling when it's not appropriate. Be mindful of what you're doing with your hands too, because these can also convey a message. For example, if someone's talking and gesturing wildly with their hands and you reach out and touch them or mimic their movements in any way, even without realizing it, they'll think you're laughing at them even if you're just trying to be supportive. 5. Take the right body language position. When you enter a room, take note of the people already present and their body language. Uncross your arms and legs, stand up straight, make eye contact, and smile. By taking the right body language position, you are conveying that you are confident, approachable, and interested in the other person. Respect others' time. 2 sentences. One of the easiest ways to show respect is by respecting others' time. When you value someone's time, they will value yours in return.